Hello, good day to you. It's me, Andy, and this is another Mobirise video. It is bordering on advanced though, so bear that in mind if you're a beginner and you've not done this before, websites and stuff. But I thought I'd do it while I was doing the other stuff the other day with Google Analytics, and this is actually the thing I mentioned about putting adverts on your website that you can use AdSense. Now you need to go over to google.com AdSense. So google.com AdSense and create your AdSense account. Which I already have, and then when you're here you can add a new site. So I type in my web address, that's andywrighttravel.co.uk, and then you end up with getting this code. You need to copy this, paste this code into your website. It needs to go into the head area, and you put that code on every page that you want to show as. And obviously after they've done some checks, then they will allow to have adverts on your page. But the travel requires review for some reason, I don't know why. It's been active for a while. Well, yeah, it has been inactive for a while because we've had to renew it. So I'm going to copy this page, I could just click the button, couldn't I? Click. And then we go over to the actual site, and you'll find that we go on to the home page and click on the cog, and in here this is actually the place where we're going to place the code, and I'm presuming that it's going to be the same as that. Yes, it is. So that is actually the code that we are putting into our home page. Now, what we need to do is actually upload this, because at the moment it's just on my computer. So we will do that. We will publish it first of all. And publish. This will copy all of the codes onto my computer, how it should work, and then we can upload the files to the server. And then once we've done that, we will go in here and we will click the I've pasted the code tick box over here and see what happens. So obviously, because it's been inactive for a little while, it hasn't been putting adverts on my website. So therefore, because I've been waiting to actually make a new site, that's why. So having done that, I'll let you watch the website for a little bit when I upload. And what I've done on my website is I've put in some affiliate links. So this is what you do separately, but again, I'll cover that in another video. It may be the advanced video, because at the moment we are bordering on that. To be fair, you know, you need to know all of this stuff, because if you're going to make any money out of the website, then you need to be able to know how to do. If you're wondering why there's blanks, I'm waiting for confirmation of the affiliate links. They haven't come through yet, so but they don't do anything. When you click on them, there's nothing. They're just icons. But when you click on it, for example, it takes you to the website, and of course you can then get commission every time somebody buys a product. So I've got a few. That's Travel Sphere. That's one of my new ones. And what I will do eventually is I will put this this block on every page. At the moment, it's just on the first page. What we're going to have to do in a moment is have to go into the ads. This will allow you to tell Google where you want the ads to be placed, because you don't really want ads everywhere on your website. But what it does, it puts them on in convenient spots. So it will look at the code on your site and then place adverts in those spots. It's all done automatically for you. Don't know how it does it, but it does. Of course, at the moment, that code that we've got, if you remember, is only on that home page at the moment. So if I want adverts to appear on the other pages, we're going to have to copy this code, this inside the head code. So if I want it on the about page, I need to paste it on there. We can put it in merchandise. Contact page. Video library. Gallery. Other media. Yeah, put it on there. So, yeah, I suppose I could put it on all of them, really, can I? Just, yeah, why not? Yeah. Thing is, I'm now going to have to upload all of those files again. But I'll do that later. Right, so it's on every page now, but of course I'll have to upload that again. So that has uploaded all the files. So hopefully now we can go here and click and then request a review. It usually takes a few days, but can take up to 2 weeks. Make sure you don't remove your site. Place the code on every page that you want ads to appear on. Right, so that'll be, and remember to go to ads and choose the ad formats that you want. So let's do that. Let's go over here. Auto ads, be confident, get automatic, and get started. Right, so Google Ads, auto ads, edits. Let's see. Google's now finding the best places to place ads. So it will show you where it will think that it will put ads on your page. Hopefully. So it's saying that this is the mobile version. Let's have a look at the desktop version. It doesn't really say where it's putting them, does it? Where is it putting them? It doesn't. I don't know where it's putting them. Normally it would be somewhere at the top or down the bottom. What happens if I put auto ads? How about that? One in-page ad. Yeah, where? Ah, in there. There you go. In between. So ad formats. Match format. Well, this is when your advert refers to something that is on your page. So, for example, traveling or whatever. Maybe it'll be travel related. And apply. So apply now. It can take an hour to reflect. Well, it's not been approved yet, but we can, and then you won't need to edit your code to apply the changes. So that's all set up and the ads are on. So it should run ads, and of course as you get AdSense, and this will allow you to make some money from your website. Right, I know that was quite a lot to take in, and it was a little bit advanced, but I think you need to know it because it is quite useful. And of course, have a good time programming your website, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.